The key fob not detected error in Suzuki Grand Vitaras, especially models from 1998 to 2014, means the car isn't recognizing your key fob. This prevents you from starting the engine or using keyless entry features. The most common cause is a dead or weak CR2032 battery in the fob. To fix this, open the fob with a small screwdriver and replace the battery, making sure it's correctly oriented. If the issue persists, the problem might be a corroded or faulty keyless entry antenna receiver, typically located in the door pillars or under the dashboard. Environmental factors like extreme temperatures or metal obstructions can make the problem worse since RF signals degrade over distance. Remember to disconnect the car battery before any resets to prevent ECU damage. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try resetting the key fob pairing. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and simultaneously press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. This resets the connection between the fob and the car's ECU. If the problem continues, consider using Bluetooth diagnostic apps like Suzuki Connect or aftermarket kits for key fob reprogramming. Persistent issues may indicate a faulty immobilizer module, which a dealer can reprogram via an OBD2 scanner. As a last resort, a broken ECU may need to be replaced by a mechanic.